Here at Chatsworth Products, we believe that proper cable management is integral to the performance and effectiveness of your network. The CPI ZetaFrame Cabinet offers a variety of simple yet effective cable management solutions. Vertical cable managers provide cable management at the rack unit level. The innovative cover is easy to use. Simply lift to release the latch and pull to open the cover, or remove it entirely for better access to cables. Cable lashing panels secure and manage cable bundles utilizing innovative cable bundle swivels. These lashing panels can be used independently or can reside within the vertical cable manager for a complete cable management solution. If you need to transition cables from front to rear, ZetaFrame front to rear trough style managers attach to equipment rails wherever cable openings are present. ZetaFrame provides the cable management organization needed to grow and sustain your network. Visit chatsworth.com to learn more.